Yes, good morning second class children. Are you all ready for the class? Okay, I think you are all expecting that teacher is going to start the new lesson. No children, because just now we had completed the exams, right? Okay, you tell me how you done the exams on second class children. How was the paper? Science paper was very tough for you all. No teacher, it's very easy. Yes, why? Because teacher had given the clues and picture oriented questions, right? So I think this paper is very and your science paper is very interesting, right? Okay, so if you let me see the performance now. Okay, when I'll correct your papers, I will see that how is my children have done the exams. Okay, so okay children, right now which lesson you are going to start? No children, I am not going to start any new lesson. I am going to explain the previous lesson which we had completed. That is, the name of the lesson is Water Around Us. Okay, so already I taught you this lesson. You may expecting that, teacher, this is lesson is completed. Again you are repeating. No children, because this lesson I didn't include in our exam. So that teacher will give the first hard words practice from this lesson. Then we will talk about the previous lesson. Whatever the lessons we had completed, we will go slowly hard words practice. Okay, I hope so that you are going to concentrate in this class. Why? Because if you do the hard words practice, your lesson reading will be very perfect, right? So are you all ready for the class now? So let me start. The name of the lesson is Water Around Us. Okay, so what is the lesson number is 10. What is the lesson number? 10. The name of the lesson is Water Around Us. You can copy down when my class is start. When my class I am going to start. Okay. As soon as I start the hard words, you can write down in the rough book. Don't use the class book children now. Write in the rough note. Okay. Hard words. So get ready for the hard words children. Number 1. Spell the word of drinking. Spell the word of drinking. D-R-I-N-K I-N-G. Drinking. Okay. Next one. Washing. W-A-S-H-I-N-G. Washing. Third one. Cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Cooking. Bathing. B-A-T-H-I-N-G. Bathing. The next one is mopping the floor. So we will write only the word is mopping. M-O-P-P-I-N-G. Mopping means the way how to clean the floor. Okay, with the mop, with the help of mop. Sixth one. We will write the word of, spell the word of new one, that is ground. G-R-O-U-N-D. Ground. Write very neatly. Spell the word and write. Keep on writing these hard words. The next one is spell the word of ponds. P-O-N-D-S. Ponds. Lakes. L-A-K-E-S. Lakes. Ninth one, streams. S-T-R-E-A-M-S. Streams. 10th one, groundwater. G-R-O-U-N-D. Ground. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Groundwater. Spell the word of puddles. P-U-D-D-L-E-S. Next one, spell the word of tube well. What is that? Tube well. T-U-B-E. Tube. W-E-L-L. Well. Tube well. 13th one, rainwater. R-A-I-N. Rain. W-A-T-E-R. Rainwater. 14th one, springs. S-P-R-I-N-G-S. Springs. 15th one, source. S-O-U-R-C-E. Source. This is, so how many hard words teacher I had given? 15 hard words, right? So what are the hard words I had given to you? Yes, let me start only this related lesson, water around us, lesson hard words only. Okay, So drinking, washing, cooking, bathing, mopping, ground, ponds, lakes, streams, groundwater, puddles, tube well, rainwater, springs, source, right? So once again, now with the spelling. Okay, spell the word of drinking. D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G, drinking. So how many times you should have to do the practice? Three times. Each hard word you do three times. Okay. Washing, W-A-S-H-I-N-G, washing. Cooking, C-O-O-K-I-N-G, cooking. Spell the word and write in the class book, children. Okay, next, bathing. Spell the word of bathing. B-A-T-H-I-N-G, bathing. Mopping. Spell the word of mopping. M-O-P-P-I-N-G, mopping. Ground. Spell the word of ground. G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. Ponds. Spell the word of ponds. P-O-N-D-S, ponds. Spell the word of lakes. L-A-K-E-S, lakes. Next word, streams. S-T-R-E-A-M-S, streams. Next one, groundwater. Which water? Tube wells are what? Groundwater, right? So spell the word of ground. G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. W-A-T-E-R, water, groundwater. Next one, puddles. P-U-D-D-L-E-S, puddles. Next, tube well. Spell the word of tube. T-U-B-E, tube. W-E-L-L, well, tube well. Next one, rainwater. R-A-I-N, rain. W-A-T-E-R, rainwater. Springs. S-P-R-I-N-G-S, springs. Source. S-O-U-R-C-E, source. Okay, once again, what is the first one? Drinking, washing, cooking, bathing, mopping, ground, ponds, lakes, streams, groundwater, puddles, tube well, rainwater, springs, source. Fine. So have you listened my class? So spellings also you have done. So oral drilling practice have you done, everyone? Okay. So what you should do now? Write each word three times in your rough note, not in my classwork. Okay, children. In which notebook you should have to do the practice? Rough note. Already this lesson we had completed. Now we are getting into only for the practicing of hard words. Daily teacher will give you 15 hard words. Whichever the lesson we had completed, that you please concentrate on the hard words. Okay. మీరందరూ ధ్యానంగా కూర్చొని ఈ హార్డ్ వర్డ్స్ని మీరు బాగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. జరిగిన లెసన్ నుంచి మీరు ఎంత ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే నెక్స్ట్ ఎగ్జామ్కి మీకు ఇంకా ఈజీగా అయిపోతుంది. ఓకే, సో డోంట్ వేస్ట్ యువర్ టైమ్ చిల్డ్రన్. వెన్ ఎవర్ యూ గెట్స్ అ టైమ్, you keep on doing this type of hard words practice. Okay, I hope so this class is very clear for you all, right? Okay, thank you children. See you on for next class tomorrow. Okay, bye.